friends, welcome back to
Kids Fun Learn Club.
the 6 minutes
100 days
sketching challenge. And in this challenge, in this drawing today, what are we going to do or what are we going to learn is how to sketch some cartoon birds. Yeah? Do you know how to sketch a cartoon bird? Which one is a cartoon bird? Tell me.
Angry Bird.
Angry bird, yeah. That would be one of our drawings. Anything else that comes to your mind? Let's check it out. Okay? Do not forget to be with us till the end of the video to see if you got featured, your profile got featured in our shout out in this video. Let's get started with this 6 minute 100 days sketch. Episode number
20.
Episode number 20.
So,
A cartoon bird, isn't it?
yes.
How does it look like? Let's make the eyes first.
First, let's do it Angry Bird.
Let's make the eyes first. That's the eyes.
Long.
Okay. The eyebrows
The eyeballs.
and the beak.
The eyeballs.
Yeah. Now next comes his.
Comes his or her.
The next that comes is the face. What is this? Does this not look very funny?
This looks like a chipmunk.
Oh my god. The eyes. Do you have an eraser over here? That's not an eraser. Okay, no worries.
Okay, should I get that?
No, it's okay.
What happened?
The next would be the body of the bird. We'll make it smaller so that we can fit in the angry bird as well.
I did it too big. No problem, no.
Next is the legs. Yeah, Paki? Let us give it the final finishing touches.
Papa, look, yours is not looking nice because you are only using one pencil.
Yeah,
I'm using three.
it's okay. Now we are quickly moving to the angry bird. Are you done with this?
Yeah.
How does the angry bird look like? That's the easiest drawing that it could be, right?
We made too easy to fix.
An oval kind of a shape, not exactly circular, but if it's okay if you can make a circle. That's there. We make the eyebrows, the eyes, and the beak. And the eyes comes here.
Guys, tell us in the comments below which one did you like which one is the easiest. We made two easy drawings.
Yes, 2 easy ones. Does this look like an angry bird? Yes, it does, to some extent. We are almost completing episode 20. So let us see this video shout out. Let us see which profile got featured in our shout out.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. So welcome back and congratulations to those who got featured in the shout out. Let us finish this sketch, the episode number 20. I hope you are enjoying this. Do not forget to tell us which sketch should we do next. If you are enjoying, tell us in the comments a yes. And do not forget to like and subscribe the channel to see more drawing ideas, to learn more drawings. This was the drawing of an easy, basically how to draw an angry bird. Easy step-by-step drawing of an angry bird and a bird. Yeah?
Yes, I will.
Wow, we are done with the sketch of angry bird and a bird. See you in the next video, the episode 21. Have a great day. Bye-bye.